Hello, today I'm going to talk about a video that I have watched from Al Brooks, price action. Um, based on his rules, price action rules, he has some percentages. So based on that is the first bar has 20% chance of being high or low of the day, and the bar 7 has 50% chance of being high or low of the day, and these are all on 5-minute charts. So he used 5-minute charts, and the bar 12 has 70%, and then bar 18 has 90% chance of being high or low of the day for that day. So I'm gonna go through these rules on a 5-minute chart on NQ, and wanted to share this info. So this is the last price action, Friday's price action, April 22nd, and then I'm gonna go back from this date. So based on his rules, the first bar has a pretty low percentage as far as being high or low of the day, so we're having a 20%. So this is the first bar. Well, this one here, though, it actually worked at 20%. 20%. So this became the high of the day. So this bar actually, that first bar actually became the high of the day. There's a 20% chance there. And the second rule was the 7th bar has the 50% chance. So this one is the 7th bar. Oh, let me do this again. So this is the 7th bar. So after you see this 7th bar printed, there is a possibility, 50% chance that either this right here is gonna be high of the day, or either this right here is gonna be low of the day. So it depends on the price action. So in this case, the price after the 7th bar broke this level here, previous level, or from the 7th bar, then it became that 50% chance for the high of the day printed for that one. And the next one is bar 12. So this one here is the 12th bar. Okay, so this one here pretty much either this right here is going to be a low of the day, or this right here is gonna be high of the day after the, and this one has a 70% chance. In this case here, the price tried to run back up and got rejection on that 25, and then came back down and then broke this level here, and after that on that printed is the high of the day. The next one is bar 18. So this one here is the 18th bar here. So it's pretty much the same with the 7th bar, but this 18th bar has the 90% chance of either this right here is gonna be low of the day, or this right here is gonna be high of the day, which in this case, since it broke this level here, then it became this bar here is the high of the day. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so the first bar, this one here, has 20% of that high or low of the day. That didn't work. And the 7th bar has a 50% chance. Okay, so this one here is 50% chance of either this right here is gonna be high of the day, or this right here is gonna be low of the day. So it's a 70% chance, which in this case here, after price breaking the 25 VWAP and the 50 moving averages, and after this break and the retest, the price continued down, and this became the high of the day. And also the 12th bar 12 has 70% chance, which is this one here. This right here is the 12th bar, which right here is gonna be the either low of the day, or this gonna be the high of the day, which after this 12th bar the price broke this level here and then retested and then came down, which became this one here is the high of the day. And then this was the 70% chance, and the 18th bar, which is this one here, that bar there, that has 90% of a chance that either this right here is gonna be low of the day, or this one here is gonna be high of the day, which in this case we already have down move, and we already broke all these moving averages and everything, 200 moving average, 50. So more likely you can expect a break on this low here and make this the high of the day as a 90% chance. Yeah, so the 18th bar, this one has 90% chance. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, on this one here, the first bar being the 20%, it work here, which is a high or low of the day, make the high of the day. And the 7th bar, this one here, either the price is going to be this right here is gonna be high of the day, or this right here is gonna be low of the day. In this case, we already have, since down moves, you can expect to break this level to make this one high of the day as a 50% chance, which the next bar did this one, and then after a retest of the VWAP and has a nice rejection right here, and after that they came back to this 12 bar range and then broke this level here and continued down and then sideways. And the 18th bar, right, we did the 12, yeah, and this one here is the 18th, pretty much is the same thing with the 12 bar, but this one here is already has a 90% chance that if the price break this level, right here, is gonna be, this one is gonna be the high of the day. which on this one here, this bar broke it, and then price went down and then sideways. All right, let's move on to the next day, previous day. Okay, on this one is here pretty obvious because of the trend day already. So the first bar didn't work out at 20%. The fifth bar it worked, which is this one here. And the either this is gonna be the low of the day, right? And this is gonna be the high of the day. In this case, there is a breakout, and then that breakout make this one low of the day, and this is a 50% chance. And on the 12th bar, all right, on this one here, this is the 12th bar. Either this right here is going to be high of the day as a 70% chance, or this one here is gonna be the low of the day, which on this case the price broke this level here and became this same level here, became the low of the day as a 70% chance. And the 18th bar, which is this one here, let's do it this way. So either this right here is going to be a high of the day, or this right here is gonna be a low of the day, which breaking out this one here, it makes this level here is the low of the day. And also once you see a strong trend day like that, you most likely don't expect the price come all the way here to make a new low of the day. Rather, you prefer to look for a breakout and have a 90% chance for the up move. And so far is it is working out, but I think there are a couple things, I saw that really didn't work out well, which is like these days, like if it is like a very big range day, then all the bars is gonna be inside of that big range, and this rule is not gonna work out well. So let's see on this one here. So the first bar 20% it didn't work out, high or low of the day already broken. And then the 7th bar, which is this one here, this is the 7th bar, and either, which actually this one worked, so either this right here is going to be a low of the day, or this right here is gonna be high of the day. I mean, not this one worked, but so later on during the day, this broke here, but and then the 12th bar, which is this one here, is actually work. This one make the 12th bar has 70% chance. Either this right here is gonna be a high of the day, or this right here is gonna be the low of the day. In this case, yeah, this became the high of the day, and the 18th bar, this one here, is pretty much the same way. This right here is the 18th bar. Either this right here is gonna be low of the day, or this right here is gonna be high of the day, which this became the high of the day after breaking this low here with a 90% chance. Okay, another day. Okay, this is another trend day. I know it's gonna work out on this one. Yeah, that first bar didn't work out. That 20% is already make that high of the day on the second bar, but the fifth bar, which is this one here, either this right here is gonna be the high of the day, which it did, or this right here is gonna be the low of the day. After breaking this cancel this one here, and the 12th bar, which is this one here, either this is gonna be a low of the day, or this is gonna be the high of the day, which broke here, and then they make this high of the day as a 90%. And the bar 18, which is this one here, is pretty much the same rule apply. Yeah, this is the 18th bar. Either this one is gonna be a low of the day, or this one is gonna be high of the day, which this one broke that and then make that high of the day as a 90%. Okay, another trend day. The first bar actually worked on this one as a 20%, as it being high or low of the day, which make the low of the day. This one here, and the fifth bar, which is this one here, fifth bar, and either this right here is gonna be high of the day, or this right here is gonna be low of the day. In this case, after breaking this, they make this one here as a low of the day. And the 12th bar, which is this one here, and either this one is gonna be a high of the day or low of the day, which after breaking this has a 70% chance that make this low of the day. And bar 18, and this one here, bar 18, pretty much either this one is gonna be a high of the day as a 90%, or low of the day as a 90%, which after seeing a strong break on this bar here, that make this level as a 90% low of the day. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I want to see a failure of this, because there's a 10% or 30% or 50% on the 7, 12, or 18 bars as a failures. That I think it will fail on the big range days. I think. Okay, this one here again, you got the point. So this is the 20% is not working usually. And then the fifth bar, this is the fifth bar here, right here. And either this is gonna be a high of the day, or this is gonna be a low of the day. Which on this one here it broke, and then this one didn't work, and is a 50%. And then on the 12th bar, actually though, it might work. So this is the 12th bar here. And either that 12 bar is gonna make either this one as a high of the day, or make this one as a low of the day, which make this one as a high of the day is a 70% chance. And on the 18th bar, which is this one here, either this one going to be a low of the day, or this one is going to be high of the day, which breaking this right here make this one as a 90% high of the day, which yeah, when you look at it that way, and when you see rejections on key levels, like on, for example, this one here, right, this zone here, right, you see that the price is crossing the 50 and 25, and then you see a bunch of rejection bars here that piling up, you know, right there, and then there's a nice rejection bar there too. And when you see that, looking at it that way, as a 90% chance after seeing this level broken, then yeah, you can be extra confirmation on your trades when you keep looking at the 5-minute charts this way. Yeah, so I thought this was an interesting, so I wanted to share, and I hope this helps to someone.